So literally, we don't have any high impact news today. We only had bank holiday because the Japanese yen is experiencing a bank holiday today, right? They're experiencing a bank holiday today. So we don't literally have any high impact news, only JPY pairs that are on bank holiday. But then tomorrow we are looking towards core PPI. Can you all hear me, please? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes, I
Okay,
can hear you.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
that's
we can
great.
hear you.
So we are having high impact news. Tomorrow, Wednesday, this week is CPI. So 2:30 p.m. We are having a high impact news by 2:30 p.m. Um, so that's just it. We're having a high impact news by 2:30 p.m. Okay, so on Wednesday. But today, we don't have any high impact news today, and there is a bank holiday for JPY pairs. So let's look at the chart. Let's see what the chart is saying. So we could see if we can have a signal or a trade for this New York session. Can you all see my chart, please? Can you all see my chart?
Yes, I can see it.
Oh, okay, that's great.
I've not seen it too. I'm sorry. Okay.
Maybe it's your network, please. Okay,
Just
so looking at the dollar from a weekly perception, we are still looking towards more bullish sentiment for dollar up to about 113.063 region. Okay, 113.063 region is the area where we're looking out for bullish sentiment. So we are still looking towards buying, and coupled with the fact that dollar has tested this region, dollar has tested 107.630 region. Okay, dollar has tested that region, and we are still seeing some bullish sentiment. So still bullish on United States dollar, and my bias is still bullish. We could just literally have one or two retests around here, one or two retests at 109.470 region, or probably price continue moving to the upside. And as you can see, the trend is bullish, right? So the trend is still bullish. So everything we are doing for dollar, we look towards buying up to the upside. Okay, we look towards buying up to the upside, right? So we are still bullish on that. And so dollar index, I'm bullish. And where could I look for areas for a buyback? I'm still looking at 109.470 region for possible continuations of buyers. Okay, so we are still bullish on dollar indices, but the phase we are currently is a retracement phase. Okay, is a retracement phase, and we also have a resistance here. We also have a resistance. So this is a resistance. I have a retest. We just need price to break below this support level before we confirm more sales and probably price moving down to this sales and all that. So let's look at some other pairs. Let's look at some pairs to see if we are still going to be bullish or are bearish. So this is GBP USD, and I'm looking at daily time frame. For my daily time frame, I am still very, very bearish on GBP USD, coupled with the fact that last week Friday we had our NFP, right, where market sold down and looking at 1.20673 region, right? So 1.20673 region for a proper sell. And on 4 hours time frame, the market has already made its move. So what we just need to wait for, we wait for a proper retracement, okay? So wait for a proper retracement before moving to the downside. I think a sell stop order will be nice for GBP USD because we have market at this level rejected this high more than once, right? And if we look at 4 hours time frame, we will still see much more bearish sentiment. And also at this level, we are still seeing some bearish sentiment here, right? So I am still literally bearish on GBP USD. So I'm going to use a sell stop order for GBP USD. We could put it here, sell stop, then stop loss will be here, and we look at 1 hour time frame. So this will be TP1, 1.20673 will be TP1, and 1.20080 will be for TP2. So I'm going to drop this right now on the group GBP USD sell stop. Sell stop at 1.20993, TP1 1.20556, TP2 1.20080, then SL 1.21464. Okay, so that is that for GBP USD. I'm going to drop it on our funded client group. So funded client group. So GBP USD sell stop. GPS the sell stop at 1.20993, TP1 1.20993, TP2 1.20556, 1.20080, SL 1.21464. Okay, that's that on GBP USD. So let's go to Euro USD. Please, if you want us to look at any pair, kindly reach out, kindly write it in the comment section so we can also look that for you. So Euro USD also, looking towards Euro USD, I'm still of the bearish sentiment, right? Because dollar still has strength. Okay, we're going to look at USGP and Mr. Oluwatoba. So dollar still has strength, and looking at here on a higher time frame perception, okay, I could see here dollar approaching down to daily time frame, and if you look at this level, two things might literally occur that I'm looking towards for GBP. For Euro USD. We have a break of structure here, so market has formed a lower low, breaking this low. So two things might literally occur. We might literally want to see a retracement, then move to 1.00351. Okay, a retracement, move down to 1.00351. Okay, so also we look at 4 hours time frame. Look at 4 hours time frame. Okay, and I also said I'll just the same level. Market could literally test this 1.02805 region as a proper retest. Okay, 1.0205 region as a proper retest before we sell down to 1.00351. So 1 hour time frame also. 1 hour time frame also, we are also having this resistance here. So market also at this resistance. So like I said, two things might literally happen. A retest to this level, you can see. In fact, my best bet will be to wait for sellers at this juncture because we have market taking out this high and this low. So I will love to say a sell limit order, but let's just leave it as it is. Wait for a sell stop. My best area of interest will be around 1.02145 region, 1.02256 region here, and here also. So these are the two areas that I would love to see. Wow, I think I saw something. So let's use a sell stop order too at this level. So Euro USD also, okay, I've given GBP USD. So Euro USD also a preferable sell stop, preferable sell stop at Euro USD sell stop. Sell stop at 1.01814, 1.01814, 1.01515 here. Okay, so I'm trying to give us another signal. Euro USD sell stop order. Sell stop at 1.01814. Then SL 1.02241, TP1 1.01458, TP2 1.01167. Okay, the same thing. We gave a sell stop and also for GBP USD and also Euro USD. So I've written this also on our funded client group. If you are not on our funded client, kindly fund your account so that you can have access to join this group as well. Okay, so let's look at some dollar pairs like let's look at gold. Actually, I saw a proper sell scenario for gold here, but then we are still looking towards some things because I looked at gold and gold has broken the structure and failed to form a higher high. So gold is heading towards this low, 2621.26 region. Also, if you look at this higher time frame perception, we will see that gold is rejecting this level, right? And 4 hours time frame, we're also seeing gold rejecting this support become resistance area here. Okay, so gold rejecting for support become resistance area here, and we are selling down. We are selling down. Okay, so gold, we have a bearish sentiment for gold, and we are looking towards 2663.16 region, which is the first SL. But we can't enter gold right now because we need a proper retracement. We need a proper retracement from here. We need a proper retracement, then we sell gold. So we wait for a proper retracement before entry into gold trade, but the bias is bearish. And gold is heading towards 2663.13 region. Gold is heading towards 2663.13 region. So those are the areas. And if I also see a rejection at this area, we might also enter if I see a rejection at 2680 region. So the bias is still bearish, but we need a proper retracement on gold before entry into the market. Okay, I would have said we should use a sell stop order, but gold is a volatile pair. You can come here and take out our SL and move again and sell. So we still need to be very, very patient for gold to play out for the way it wants to. So let's start USD CHF. So for USD CHF on weekly time frame, I'm looking towards market at this resistance, right? So market is at this resistance point, yeah, and the bias has been very, very bullish, right? So what we have here, we have price moving at that level, and So but then the bias is still bullish. The bias on USCHF is still bullish, and this is the highest area it might get to, 0.94135. So you are still bullish on USCHF, even though this zone is a very, very strong zone. We might just have a retracement before market moving to the upside. So I'm bullish on USCHF, but I've not yet seen a confirmed entry, even on 4 hours time frame. I don't yet seen a confirmed entry. So we are currently waiting for a breakout and a retest here, and also another breakout and a retest for here, right? So we look at these levels to see if USCHF will continue moving to the upside. Let me see if that's looking. Okay, so I'm still very, very much bullish on Euro USD. So USCHF. So let's see how it will play out. So it's currently on a range, on a very strong resistance zone. We just need patience to see what will literally happen if you are going to buy or if you are going to sell. So at this point, USCHF is patience is needed for USD CHF. Let's look at USD CAD also. A signal was dropped on USD CAD this morning, and it was also dropped in the funded client group. I don't know if you are there. So if you are not on the funded client group, I want you to, you are missing a whole lot because we have a lot of signals that has been sent, that has been sent on the funded client group. So USD CAD is at a resistance. Okay, no problem. USD CAD is at a resistance, yeah, no doubt, but the momentum has been very, very bullish, even from the weekly time frame. Because if you are to look at here, we only have this high, right? Also this low, right? And market taking out on daily time frame. You see, market take out this this high. So we also have another resistance here, right? So market take out this resistance and retracing. So what we are looking towards on USD, okay, sorry, this USDJPY, sorry, USDJPY, I said USD CAD, the USDJPY. So what I'm looking at on USDJPY, I would love to see a sell. We have this movement is not literally a bullish sentiment, but then we still need price to break out this low, right? So once price break out this low, then we can now look towards selling. So as it is, we are still trapped between 158.538 region to 156.588 region. And on a lower time frame trend, we are looking at this level. We are looking at this level on a lower time frame trend. You're looking at this level as a bearish sentiment. So the inner structure is bearish, but the external structure is still bullish, right? So what are we going to do? We follow markets to this strong low to 156.588 before we decide on what to do. So for a short term on USDJPY, I'll look forward to sell, especially if this candle is going to be a weak. Okay, so I'll look forward to sell a short sell on USDJPY. Look forward for a short sell on USDJPY. Okay, so I'm looking forward to a short sell on USDJPY down to 157.045 before we decide what to do. So on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so I still hold on. No confirmation yet. I would have told us to sell. No confirmation yet because we still have a lot of rejections at this level, except if we want to scalp from this 157.249 down to 157.022 region. My bias is still bearish. Hopefully, we could have a sell stop order also for USDJPY. We never can tell. Because the reason why I don't want to enter this is that the higher time frame perception is bullish. Do you understand? The higher time frame perception is bullish and lower time frame perception is bearish. So most of the time we tend to, obey the higher time frame perception. Okay, tend to obey the higher time frame perception. Okay, so the USD CAD also. Let's look at USD CAD. Oh, okay, I wasn't the one that said that. I think it was Mr. Rotimi that said that. Okay. Okay, so weekly time frame for a weekly time frame, my bias is still very bullish on USD card. Looking at the weekly time frame, the momentum is still very, very much bullish. Okay, the momentum is still very, very much bullish on USD card. Okay, so the momentum is still very, very much bullish on USD card. Okay, so daily time frame, we look at market taking out this range, right? Also this. Yeah. Okay, so we look at market taking out that range. Okay, so I just explained USDJPY, Mr. Paul. So what am I looking at? Once price can break above 1.4420, then we are going to buy because the bias for dollar is still bullish, right? The bias for dollar is still bullish. So we are still looking towards for much more bullish sentiment for USD card. USD on a lower time frame is giving us another perception. So this is what I'll just say. Let's hold on. Let's wait a little bit. A break above this will give us more room to buy, right? A break above this high will give us more room to buy USD card. Okay, a break above that high will give us more room to buy USD card. So let's wait and see. And also, we do not have a lower low break here. So this is just a retest, and we could have more buyers coming into the market. So there is no signal yet on USD card, USCHF also, there is no signal. USJPY, I would have loved to tell us to sell, but there is no entry at the moment, right? There is no signal at the moment. The market is still bullish. GBP we give a sell stop signal at 1.20993. CP1, it's around 1.20556 and 1.20080 for TP2. Now for gold, I said gold is still very bearish. Like I said, I would have told us to put a sell stop order. You can see how gold is still moving down. Gold is still moving down, and the destination for gold is 2663 region. Okay. Yeah, I won't tell us to enter the trade now for Euro USD. I gave the signal, I said a sell stop signal, right? I gave a sell stop signal on gold. So let's wait to see what will happen around there. Okay, so USDCHF would have loved to see a bullish pattern, but it's at the resistance, so we need more patience before taking up on any trade at the moment. Okay, so let's take it as that. Any other pair? Do you want us to analyze any pair? What pair do you want us to analyze? Euro GBP. Let's see if you're going to have an entry on Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP just break this high. So the momentum for Euro GBP is bullish. Momentum for Euro GBP is bullish. I said it's a sell stop. I've already given the signal in the funded client group. If you're not on the funded client, maybe you should. You need to fund your account and join if you are not yet on the funded client group. Okay, so what we have here currently. Yeah, that's great. So what we have here, Euro GBP is still bullish. We just need a retracement before entering into the market, and which are areas that I would love to see so that we can enter into the market. Euro GBP, we need to look for a proper entry before we take the trade. Okay, I think that is that for overall. That is that. We have market takeout this high. Okay. Let me market takeout. Slow, right? Okay, so let's use a sell stop order on Euro GBP if it will work out. So sell stop Euro GBP. No. There's no entry. No entry yet. Okay, no entry yet. So we still need to be patient for Euro GBP. Okay, so that is it. Gold will still literally bearish, but I would love to see a proper retracement back to 2691 before I enter and sell. Like I said, GBP USD, our market is about to enter. If you want to enter, you can enter now if you want to. Euro USD also is a sell stop order and 1.01814. That is our sell stop zone for Euro USD. Now TP1 is 1.01458 region. Okay, so that is that this afternoon. Okay, so quickly, I want to share something. If you know you've been trading or you want to learn how to trade, you can also reach out to us, our PE Prime Trading Academy. And PE Prime also has tangible softwares that will help us trade. So these softwares, you need to fund, you need to be a funded client. If you have not funded, you need to fund. And these softwares, the price for each funding will be released to us very soon. Okay, the price for each funding will be released to us very soon. And I can tell you, just like what we said, this software helps you with the entry and exit point. It helps you with the entry and exit point. Okay, they help you with the entry and exit point. I know. Okay, so thank you very much. Does anybody have any questions? Any questions so far? Okay, in the absence of any questions, thank you very much and have a wonderful trading day. Good afternoon.